Omegaman here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Just checked out of the hotel, driving about 30 minutes to my school. I have about 2 schools today. Omegaman here. I'm about to speak to K through 5th graders about being a dream maker in life and never a dream breaker. So use your superhero powers for good. Here we go. Bye, bye, you know, bye. You're strong. Bye, guys. Be good, be good, be good. Alright, just finished our first school of the day. What was your favorite part? The baseball bat, that was tough.
Look up in the sky, it's not a bird or a plane. It's Omegaman coming to make a change. Impacting the globe with a positive view. But you have to believe in you. The choices you make will determine your tomorrow. So you can have peace instead of sorrow.
Your chair. Here we go. To challenge young people to be the hero in them, believe in themselves, to make the right choices, have self-control. Let's finish strong. It's the end of the school year. Finish strong. It's how you start the race. It's how you end the race of life. Let's be a hero.
I'm making good choices in the school, gym, hallway, classroom, playground, at home.
So what did you think about the Omegaman and Friends School Assembly?
So I think he pushed us to be dream makers and not dream breakers, and it was really fun experience this moment.
That's right.
Omegaman is a really fun person, and he inspires you to be a dream maker, not a dream breaker. Omegaman was really fun, and he inspired me to have a better personality and challenged me to be a dream maker.
I think Omegaman's awesome because he inspires a lot of people, to be good.
So do you think Omegaman rocks?
Yeah!
Here we go. I just finished my last school of the day. Got one more day left of the week. Just changed clothes because I was stinking. So I'm on the road driving about 2 hours to my next area for my schools tomorrow. So, but I wanted to pop up and just, I had a kid ask me a question at my last school assembly. He said, Omegaman, I've heard of Superman and Batman and Iron Man and Spider-Man and Ant-Man and even He-Man, but I've never heard of a superhero named Omegaman. You know what I said to that kid? I said, where's your teacher? Just go back to your room. You're bothering me. No, I'm joking. But that's true. So when I started Omegaman in 2008, I wanted to come up with a superhero name that had a meaning behind it. So Omegaman came to me, and the word Omega is the last letter in the Greek alphabet. It's the horseshoe, and it means final. It means end. And Omegaman Friends, our school assembly presentation, what our mission statement is we're bringing a final message to these young people that could change their life. But it's up to them to take that message and apply it to themselves and make them a better young person. The power of choice is in their hands. So Omegaman Friends is a message where we deliver that presentation, and we kind of give them a call for action at the end of the assembly. Now all the guys on the team have meanings. Guardian, we have Dynamo, we have Stone Hands, we have Xena, Titan, Iceman. We all have different names on the team, and they all have powerful meanings behind it too. So that's a little insight of what Omegaman Friends is all about if you didn't know. So
Let's take the pledge. Are you ready? Put your hands like this. Now, let's take the pledge, the superhero pledge. Everyone say this after me. I pledge to be a hero. Helping everyone respect others. Helping everyone respect others. Again, have a superhero school year, about 1 month of school. Believe in yourself, use your powers for good, and one more time, always make good what? Bye, hero.
there it is. That's a wrap. 18 assemblies in 5 days. Over 6,500 kids impacted by the hero message. We have schools to impact, communities to reach, and a nation to change. All of us can make a difference. Let's link hands. Let's all be heroes.
This is Omegaman, and have a superhero day.